Before the video even starts, I want to bring awareness to all the events that have taken place within the last few weeks. I stand in solidarity with the Black community, and I 100% agree with everything that the Black Lives Matter movement is doing to bring the Black community justice. I have linked a website down below in the description that can show you many ways that you can help to bring justice for the Black community. Sign every petition that you see, and if you can, donate to the different funds. Thank you, and now we can get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make filters that look like these. They're called Freckle filters, and I used to make these filters by placing each individual picture, but now there's a script for it, so it's much easier now. But yeah, a lot of people asked me how I made these filters, so I'm just going to do a quick tutorial for you, and I hope you enjoy it, and I also hope that it helps you, obviously. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the little bell so you get notified every time I post a brand new video. And also don't forget to follow me on all my social media, my Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. And also don't forget to use my Snapchat lenses on Snapchat. All you have to do is search up Christian Roberts and you will find all of them. And also use my Instagram filter. You can just go to my Instagram and press a little filter button and then you will see all of them right there. But yeah, let's just get right on into the video. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have this Freckles material, and I will put a link in the description so that you can download it. And you're just going to open a new project. And then in the new project, you're going to add the Freckles material. And then once you have the Freckles material added, you're going to go up to the Objects panel, Add New, and then add a new face mesh. And now what you're going to want to do is take this Freckles material and replace the default material so that it looks like this. Now you are going to want to have any picture set aside for what you want the freckles to be. So what I used are just a basic butterfly image like these. So I'm just going to do the pink for right now, and then you're just going to press open. And then once you have the texture over here, you're going to want to open the Freckles material, and right here where you see texture, drag your image to the texture box, and now you see that the texture has changed to your image. And you can adjust the size right here if you want it smaller or if you want it bigger. Just like that. And you can change the amount that you want if you want multiple freckles or if you want one freckle, meaning it'd be like a blush type filter. And you can also give it a animation, such as that, or something like this, or like this. And I like the ping pong one. And then you can just go in and add whatever post effects that you want. So I'm going to add a face retouch. And I'm also going to add analog TV. And then you can edit that post effect however you want. I take the distortion away because I don't like it. And then I turn the chromatic aberration down a bunch. And then I'll usually bring the noise up just a little bit. And then you can go in and add whatever lens icon you want. And name it whatever you want. And then you can also add whatever preview you want for your filter. And then you can publish it and send it out to all your friends and use it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you, and I also hope that it inspired you to make cool filters. Like I said, the link to the template will be down below in the description so you can access this template really easily. And also, if you do use this tutorial to help you make any filters, make sure to link them down below so that we can all use them. And also, if it helped you, don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment down below any other tutorial ideas that you want or any questions that you have about it, because I would love to answer any questions. And also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media, my Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. And don't forget to use my Snapchat filters. You can just search up Christian Roberts and they all pop up. And don't forget to use my Instagram filters. You can look up my Instagram, go to the filter button, and then you will see all of my filters there. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed, and see y'all next time. Bye, guys.